Hey there, Brock Elementary students and parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for March 30th through April 3rd. I'm also going to give you a little bit of a just kind of a review of what we've been working on this week so that you guys kind of are in the know. First thing I want to say is that I miss all of the kids so very much. I miss their sweet faces, their funny stories, they're just all the things that that we get to experience every day at school, and I think that maybe sometimes take for granted. I've just been really thinking about, I miss the kids a whole bunch. And I know our teachers miss the kids so very much and have been just very thankful that we have the opportunity through Zoom and through some of these other virtual connections that we have to be able to connect with kids and to see their faces and talk to them and reassure them and really just stay connected and feel like we're all in this together. And so I wanted to let you guys know about some resources that the district is providing, as well as what you can expect for next week. So first off, I'm going to skip this and I'll go back to that video, but Brock ISD Meal Services, I think that's very important for all of you guys to know what we're offering. Any student 18 years and under can go up to the high school at back where the loading dock is and drive through and get a free lunch, a free breakfast, and we have our awesome nutrition workers that are out there providing that. We also have delivery for families that cannot get up to the high school. So if that's something that you need and are not already being provided, please reach out to your teacher or reach out to myself or Miss Lane through email. My email is egriffith@brockisd.net, and you can reach me. You can go to our district website and access any teacher pages if you don't have a way to get in touch with them. Everybody should have received a phone call this week from your child's teacher so that we were able to talk to you about the things that your family's going to need to be able to be successful as we are working from home and learning from home. And so if you need a device, if you need internet, if you need food, if there's other things, school supplies, things like that that we can provide for you, please know that it is our number one priority in Brock ISD is to get these things to families based on their individual needs. So go scrolling back up, what you can expect next week on Monday between 8 and 10 o'clock, you should receive the online instruction for next week from your teachers. And so Miss Lane has created a video that kind of reviews the format of what you can expect. One of the big things that we had or that we wanted was that it all looked the same. Kinder, first, and second, the structure of what your child will receive looks the same. We want it to be something that is all in one place, is simple for your child to navigate through. The expectations are clear, and hopefully your child's able to complete these things on their own or with only limited assistance from the parents. And so we want you to know that this is going to be for a familiar format, and simple and clear is the focus, and intentional. And so there's a lot of resources embedded in. So please take a minute, watch the video that Miss Lane has created. It's really great. It's a really, really good tool for the parent to understand what your child's receiving and then how you can support them in that. Also, Brock ISD has also curated a digital resource, an online learning resource for families as we are working to support our kids at home. And so they put together all kinds of resources, tips and tricks, technology, suggestions, and things like that that your families may need or may be helpful. So please check that out here. Again, all of these resources are available on the Brock ISD, the front of the web page, and so that you can get that there. I also put my little Bitmoji in there to send Miss Griffith air hugs to all of our sweet kiddos. Again, I need families to know that we will do anything that we can to provide good learning experiences, whether that be through this virtual platform or if your family needs a no-tech option, which we will be working to provide those individually to families that need that. Whatever it is, we are a place to provide support for our community, and we want you guys to know that if there's anything that you need, please reach out because we want to provide those things for you. I miss all of the kids so very much. Our staff misses the kids so very much, and look forward to when we will all be back together again soon. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. You're taking advantage when the weather's beautiful to be outside as much as you can, and taking the time to enjoy this time at home with our families and make the best of it, because there can be a lot of great and slowing down a little bit. So I I look forward to reconnecting with all of you guys again next week, and providing some little fun things next week for the kids, on top of what our teachers are doing. And so, anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I just appreciate all the support. And let us know if we can do anything. Go Eagles!